Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Starlink satellite internet. Starlink is a satellite internet service developed by SpaceX that provides high-speed internet using a network of low Earth orbit satellites. It works in remote and rural areas where traditional internet is slow or unavailable. So watch this video till the end. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, unbox your Starlink kit. In the standard kit, you will find the standard Starlink V4 dish, Gen 3 router, Starlink cable, dish to router, 49.2 feet, power supply with cable, router to power supply, 4.92 feet, AC cable, power supply to AC outlet, 4.92 feet. It does not include equipment for mounting and permanent installation. For the setup, you'll need the smartphone with Starlink app, power source of at least 75 watts, and third one is the optional, that is weights or straps to secure dish from heavy winds. Use the Starlink app to pick a location for your dish. The Starlink app is essential for setting up your Starlink. But make sure you install it on your mobile phone and sign into your account. The app has a tool to help you determine the best location for your dish to catch the best signal. Open the obstructions tool on the app. Stand at or near the spot where the dish will go, and ensure you can get a 360-degree view of the sky. Simply hold your phone to the sky and point it in the direction indicated by the app. Move the camera around the sky until you thoroughly scan the designated area. Move the camera around the sky until you thoroughly scan the designated area. After a few moments, you'll see an obstruction map with stats estimating how well your Starlink will perform at that location. If the app shows a majority of red obstructions, your signal may be subpar, or it's probably best to pick a different spot. Pick a location for the router and power supply. Next is finding a good spot for the Starlink router and power supply. Like any Wi-Fi router, the ideal place is in the most central location of your home. It's time to connect everything. Connect the dish and router with the included Starlink cable, a Cat6 Ethernet cable. You're free to use any Cat6 Ethernet cable, for example, if you need a cable longer than the supplied 50-foot one. Everything will power on automatically when connected. When the router and dish are powered on, open the app, which should prompt you to connect your phone to the default Wi-Fi network Starlink. Give it a few moments to ensure everything is connected. Select which type of Starlink dish you're setting up. When setting up the standard V4, it will ask if you're mounting it or using the kickstand. When you've selected, the dish will search for satellites to connect to. The app may prompt you to adjust the dish's alignment. Luckily, the app makes it easy and shows you how to turn it using a compass interface. The app will soon indicate that you're online when everything is set up correctly. However, Starlink will still need to go through some initial updating before it's ready. This update took me 10 minutes, but times can vary depending on your connection strength. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.